A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. In this video, I will unbox and review Boya BY-M1 mic. I will also share the audio sample recorded from the mic. Boya BY-M1 is a condenser omnidirectional mic. Let's start the unboxing. You will get a mic adapter, a leather-like pouch with mic in it. You'll also get some stickers, paperwork, and warranty card. And battery is also included in the box. You can see the mic and the mesh. The mic comes with the clip. You can use that to attach it to your shirt. The mic feels good to hold, and the cables are also of good quality. The mic can also be used to directly connect with camera or smartphone. You need to enable the camera mode to connect with any DSLR cameras. This is made from metal. You can open it by turning it from middle. The battery is placed in the center. You need to use the battery only when connecting the mic to the camera. For connecting to the smartphone, you don't need any batteries. This is recorded in my room with no fan or other noises. This is a mic test. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a mic test. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is recorded in my room with no fan or other noises. As you can hear, the voice is very clear compared to the inbuilt mic on the camera. But you can hear some noise in the background. Now I will play the same audio again after doing noise reduction in Adobe Audition software. This is a mic test. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now you can hear no noise at all and the audio is very clear. This is the sample when the fan is turned on and kept at medium speed. This is a mic test. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a mic test with fan turned on. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. In this one you can hear the voice very clearly, but fan noise is audible. But you can't find any noise cancelling mic under 1000 rupees. After performing noise reduction using Adobe Audition, the noise reduces drastically and the clip is usable. Boya BY-M1 performs very well. The audio quality is definitely better than using the internal mic on your phone or your camera. If you compare this with JBL commercial mic, it is slightly better, but both the mic performs the same. Boya is also less expensive than JBL, so I definitely recommend buying this mic if you are looking for a cheap budget options to make videos or record music. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.